So, hello friends, how are you doing? This is Shrinivas Birla, Chairman and CEO of Birlamedisoft. Today, I'm going to give you the demonstration of Quanta Hospital Information System. So, Quanta HIMS system is a complete suite of uh, more than 36 modules, fully interlinked with each other for the hospitals, computerizing for the hospitals. And this software is very robust, very easy to understand. And let me demonstrate to you about this software. So this software is available on the LAN version as well as it can be on the cloud. So it has got all the functionality. This software is available. It can be running on all type of devices, like it can run on a tablet, it can run on a desktop, it can also run on the clouds, smartphones, any device you can access this software from anywhere, anytime. So it's a very robust system. So let me demonstrate you about the system. Let me take you inside of the system. This is a username and password window. From there, any user who is operating this software can log into it, and this software will understand the exactly credentials which are offered to the user. So let's log into this, and you see a dashboard. Complete dashboard is available to you, and this dashboard is fully interlinked with each other. Let me brief you about this software functions. HMS, that is the main governing engine of this entire suite. Then lab information system, radiology, pharmacy, then procurement department, like central purchase store is there, asset management, what are the assets are available in the hospital. It's a completely asset management can be tracked. Nurse module, very powerful nurse module is there, where nurses can be operating on the completely tablet. They can access all the information, nurse information on the tablet. User management, so various users who are operating this software can be given the set of credentials, and they will able to operate it, and we can define the various users, so they will exactly get their credential. For example, lab user is there, so we'll only see the laboratory portion of the software. Help desk is there, so in the hospital there is a help desk, so we can able to have the complete help desk department. Maintenance, so all the instruments which are available in the hospital, we can have the maintenance control for this, preventive maintenance, everything is covered into this. Payroll system, complete HR and payroll system is available into the software. Housekeeping department, so all the housekeeping department of the hospital can be covered. Linen and laundry department is there. Multiple housekeeping functions are interlinked into this complete department. Then accounts, so now we have our full-fledged accounting system. We can also connect with any other third-party accounting system, as well as we have our in-house financial accounting software inbuilt into the softwares, which can give you balance sheet up to balance sheet, all the functionalities of the accounting system. There is a kitchen module is available. The kitchen module is very useful for the giving the diet control, the diet information to the patient. So all the nutritional department, and it is very well connected with the pantry system. So automatically the request will go. CSS, the central store and sterile system, sterile department is available, where before going for the surgery, all this CSSD department takes care of all the material handling from the CSSD department. EMR, electronic medical record. So all the doctors who are operating on this software, they have a EMR department. So automatically they will have the OPD, IPD department and report section, all are covered. And EMR is again interlinked with the nurse department as well inside. So general store, apart from the pharmacy store, there is general store is available. So from there, we can take the various material which are required by the various users into the hospital department. QC model, quality control model. So NABH, all the indicators which are available for the NABH standard are covered into this. So we need not to have the another let's say another software for the calculating of the NABH indicator, because the software automatically gives the 72 pointers which are available for the NABH, and we can keep on upgrading these pointers. So NABH QC model is available. Then waste management. So all the hospital waste which is generating in the hospital can be controlled and can be minimized, can be all the records can be kept for the waste management. How the disposal system works is available into the waste management. Then PACS, picture archiving and communication systems. It is connected to the PACS. So all the radiology instruments are connected to the PACS, and this is interlinked. HIS and PACS works together. So the main USP, let me tell you about the main USP of this software. This software is a completely database driven program. There is no hard coding anywhere. Okay, another thing, the database is fully encrypted. By looking at the data, nobody can able to find out the information. It's all encrypted. So that is a database encryption is there. Another best feature of the software is it is a audit trail. All the records which are going into the softwares are audit trail based. Means we can we have a timestamp, date, time, and who is a user and what information is going. Everything can be traced into the software. So, for example, let's say lab. This is just an example. Let's say lab is there and the one data is entered, and later on that data is changed. So it will trace the earlier data as well as the later input data. We can trace it when this is done, what transaction has been done. Another thing, it's fully connected with the queue management system. So when in a hospital there are large number of patients are coming, so the queue management function is inbuilt into the software, which can give you the announcement whenever a patient is coming to the hospital. They can have a small token. They can take the token system and can wait. There is no need of forming a queue, and automatically at all the department of the hospital, they will get the token system. So there will be a display units will be there where the digital signage will be given and it will display the information. So this is again a very important USP of the system. Then now it is connected to the multiple gadgets. Any type of gadget can be connected to this software. Even the doctors can have a speech to text function, so they can, their time is saved. They can simply speak and it will automatically write the prescription and variety of things, whatever the instructions they are giving. They can order the investigation, they can order the treatment, and it will go. And now this entire system is fully interlinked with each other. There are all these modules are connected. So right from the appointment booking to the discharge, everything is connected. It's a 100% paperless hospital and it is fully connected. Now another USP I can say that it is a reach into the all segment. Now it has classified into the 4 categories. One is the administrative capabilities. Administrative functions are there which can govern the entire system. Then clinical functions, all clinical laboratory, radiology functions are available. Then third part is the dashboards, dashboard functionality, and the resource management. Resource management like accounting, inventory control, what are the resources are there? They are inbuilt into the resource management. And last one will be the MIS. So it will generate the huge MIS system, management information system for various stakeholders. It will generate the number of reports. Now this software is fully interconnected with the multi-branching function is already inbuilt into the system. So it's a robust program. Let me have the insight. This each and every module is it's a module. Each module itself contains inside lot of information. So let me open one module, HMS. So you will see that all the functions are there within the module. See, so these are the functions. Masters, so all the masters can be entered over here. Registration window happens. This software is a ABDM compatible software. So it might let me show you add patient. So in the add patient, you will see the ABDM compatibility is coming over there. Registration number automatically, as soon as we enter the Aadhaar number, automatically all the Aadhaar registry, all the detail of the patient, the person will automatically come into the system. There is no need of typing anything, and it will take the data from the Aadhaar registry automatically, and then Aadhaar number is generated automatically from the system. And then we can generate the card also, smart card, that becomes a digital wallet for the patient. So these are all functionalities are there. Now let me show you another module, lab information system. So it's all these modules are reach. See, this is the complete laboratory information system. So this is the lab module. Then let me show you the pharmacy module. As soon as you go to the pharmacy module, you get this item reorder information, like pop-ups are coming. So they will give the alert to the system automatically. And this is a pop-up is the reorder level. Then expired item, which of the items are expired. So this will keep on indicating to the user that they need to pay the attention to that. So this is the complete pharmacy, and it is interlinked with the inside department. Automatically the request goes to the pharmacy counter. From there the patient will walk in there, They will have the their what are the ordered treatments are there is already will be available to the pharmacy counter. They can simply go there, show their card, scan their card, and it will automatically give them the medicine at the pharmacy counter. They can also add, if they want to add more medicine, they can add it. So this is the pharmacy counter. Then procurement department, central purchasing store is there. This is the central purchasing store. So from here, all the materials are purchased from the, so it has got a stock, it has got invoices, purchase order creation, invoices creation, and automatically it is again linked with the finance department. So all the approval systems are also there. Purchase order approval, invoice approval, all systems are, checkpoints are already built into the software. Now asset management. Let me show you asset management. In the asset management, like fixed assets, item reorder information is there. Then you can see the master, the rack master, in which rack the asset is located, invoices, to whom it is issued, everything it can be tracked. Then I can show you nurse model. It's a very rich nurse model function is available here. Now if you look at this nurse model, you will see that lot of functions in nurse model. Chamber, assigned nurses, IPD. If you go to the IPD section, you will see, I will just open one of the module. See, so nurses, what nurses are doing, patient initial assessment, vital charts, treatment, medical administrative record is there, patient each voucher is there, diabetes. It's a rich nurse model, and these nurses are operating on the tablets directly. So they need not to carry a laptop or PC. They can simply operate on the tablets directly. So this is a nurse module, and all these functions which nurses are doing, they are connected to the medical store, inventory store, general store, housekeeping, laundry, CSSD, OT, operation theater module is there, where they can schedule the operation theater reporting. So this is the nurse module. Then I will show you user management, where roles and rights are there. So this module is available for the roles and rights, where it can create a roles and rights for the various users. Maintenance control, a complete maintenance department, preventive maintenance. If you see the ANC renewal, okay, then you have a preventive maintenance schedule, calibration of the instruments. So all these models are available over here. Then a payroll system, complete payroll management is available. See, this is the complete payroll system is available, where right from the generation of the appointment letters to the each and everything about the payroll function is inbuilt into this software. Leave management, medical checkup management, all these things are there. Salary slip generation, everything. Form 16 is generated. All type of statutory reports are generated in the payroll system, and this payroll system is connected to the fingerprint authentication. So as when the staff comes into the hospital, they can swipe the card, or they can have a face reading, or the various types of instrument can be connected, and their attendance can be recorded. Housekeeping model, where linen and laundry functions are there. See, housekeeping model automatically. Transaction master. So these are interlinked with each and every department. Laundry module, cleanup request comes to the housekeeping department. Then I can show you this housekeeping accounts. This fully financial accounting model is there. If you see here, financial ledger, profit and loss account, balance sheet is there, day book, trial balance, bank reconciliation, MIS report, accounting report, various types of reports. So it's a fully functional accounting software, and we also have a facility to connect with any other third-party accounting software as well. Now this software can be connected to the any type of third-party system. With the HL7 engine is already inbuilt into the system. Master setup is available. So all things are there. This software is a database-driven program completely. Then kitchen module. What what are the diets to be given to the patient? All this kitchen and recipe can be created. All this is a kitchen module is available. Another function, CSSD function. So CSSD, you will see the CSSD request comes from central store, accept request CSSD, issue to the CSSD nurse department. Whenever a operation takes place, the CSSD, all the kits are issued from the CSSD department. So this is the CSSD module. Then we have a module called as EMR, so electronic medical record. When I click on the EMR, you will see OPD, a doctor. So the OPD, IPD, and the report. So this is the doctor section. So all as soon as the doctor logins, they will be having these three functions. So like that, each and every department will have their own function. They will operate it. So OPD, this is complete EMR. Now, if I just open any data employee, you will able to see it. Okay, as soon as I type it, let's say this search. Once I search it, all the record can come up over there. It can generate the nice EMR system. So let me show you the EMR of any any patient. You will have a complete information of the how the EMR is happening. So this is the one. I will open one of the patient, and you will see the EMR completely. See, this is the rich EMR is available, electronic medical record, when the patient has visited, and what are the provisional diagnosis, what is the diagnosis, this diagnosis by ICD coding of the completely. So if I just type the list, okay, the full list will come. This is ICD codes are there. Then we have a different types of EMR. We have a pediatrics EMR, gynecology obstetric EMR, physiotherapy, orthopedic, ophthalmology, ENT, diet and nutrition. So you will see different types of. So as depends on the specialty of doctor, they will able to see only their EMR function automatically. So we can have a rich EMR system for the completely for the patient. Information can be recorded, past medical history, past procedure history. So this is the reach into the EMR system. This entire software is there. Then let me show you another thing. Let's go back to the main menu. Then EMR we have seen. General store. General store is a similar type of like a pharmacy, but yeah, it is a not like medicines. All other things are available into the general store document. Then we have a housekeeping department. Okay, general store version, sorry. Then QC module. QC module we can see. All the quality control functions are there. QC indicator. If you see that different types of indicators are available into this complete section. So we need not to take another software for the creating of the indicator. So this is the QC module is available. Then we'll go to the waste management module. Okay, if you see the waste management, waste master type, transaction type, reports. So all the waste disposal management is available into this module. So all in all, this is very powerful system. There is a packs fully integrated. So we have a digital images of the packs are available into the system. So I hope this software, also this software will able to connect to each and every department, and all the paperless environment it will happen. So I hope thank you for your looking at this demonstration of this Quanta HIMS system, and we will give you the best software whatever you are seeing it. Apart from that, we will define a fantastic project for you. We will give you your software as per your requirement. Again, this software can be completely integrated with our another software called as Campus Med Campus. So Birlamedisoft has got Quanta Med Campus software, which is a complete campus management system. So this can be combined together. So under one roof, you are getting Quanta HIMS system as well as Quanta Med Campus system. So that becomes a unified package for the medical colleges. Thank you very much. So friends, in my earlier video in HMIS, I forgot to mention the blood bank module. We have a blood bank module also, which can be integrated. If any hospital has got a blood bank, we can integrate this blood bank module along with the HIMS. So let me show you this blood bank module, how it is. So I'll show you completely. It is a full-fledged blood banking software which can connect with the HMIS. Okay, so this is the blood bank software completely. So as soon as you open the blood bank software, it will always tell you expiry date and all this. This alert will keep coming to you so that you can keep attention to that. And now there is a section, again, this blood banking software is a completely database driven. All masters are there. Then donor complete section on the donor. So blood is taken by the donor, all the tests are done on the blood, and then this is a quality control department is there. Then patient comes up and patient is asking for the blood. So this is the patient complete section for the patient. There is a section for the camp. So whenever there is a camp for the blood donation camp, we can have the donation via camp entry can be made. Then there is a account department where the patient issue voucher is created. Billing department is there. It is coupled with the inventory control completely. Reagents, this is the inventory for the reagents and all the kits which are required in the blood bank for the processing of the all tests to be done. And this is finally the report. All type of reports are generated in this blood banking software. Along these are all report as per the guidelines, FDA guidelines, Food Drug Administration guidelines. So camp registers, donor register, all type of donor register, master register is there, FSC's donor is there, patient, all related to the patient. Okay, issue register, master register, blood bag, how much blood bag report, cross match register, blood test register, then reference, referred by hospital, referred by doctor, stock position, all type of blood bag stock. You can create the components from the blood bag, that is also there, inventory control, master and accounting. So this is the complete reporting section. And user management, different types of users who are going to operate this software. So this is a blood bank software which can be connected to the hospital. Those who are looking for a blood bank model, we can give them the blood bank model to them. Thank you very much.